8 ways a data analyst uses Excel in everyday life. Hi, my name is Fiona, and welcome to the Refocus Educational Channel. Attention all Excel enthusiasts and data wizards, get ready to be swept off your feet with the power of the ultimate spreadsheet hero. With the ability to conquer budgets, meal plans, tasks, health metrics, events, travels, tasks, and investments, this hero will make your life as organized as an Excel sheet. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride with our hero, Data Analyst, who takes his love for Excel to the next level and beyond. Are you tired of feeling like a lost sheep in the tech world? Then subscribe to the Refocus YouTube channel and learn the secrets of the data universe. We've got videos that are juicier than a prime rib steak, more entertaining than a Netflix binge, and more informative than your mom's encyclopedia collection. Don't want to miss the next videos? Click the bell to turn on notifications. Meet John, a data analyst by day and an Excel superhero by night. John lives and breathes Excel and uses it for everything in his personal life. One day, John realized he was overspending and needed to budget better. He used Excel to create a budget spreadsheet and entered his income and expenses. Excel did the math and told him how much he had left. John was thrilled. He was finally on his way to being financially responsible. Excel is a great tool for budgeting and financial planning. You can use it to create a budget, track your spending, and plan your savings. Excel has built-in templates that you can use to create a budget, or you can create your own. Enter your income and expenses, and Excel will automatically calculate the totals and show you if you are over or under budget. Next, John tackled meal planning. He created a spreadsheet with meal ideas for the week and a shopping list based on the ingredients he needed. His girlfriend was impressed with his organization skills and loved that they were saving money by not buying unnecessary groceries. With Excel, you can simplify your meal planning and grocery shopping. By creating a spreadsheet with meal ideas for the week and listing the needed ingredients, you can ensure that you have everything you need to prepare delicious and healthy meals. This way, you can reduce food waste and save time and money by avoiding last-minute trips to the grocery store. But John didn't stop there. He created a to-do list spreadsheet and used it to manage his tasks and deadlines. He even created charts to visualize his progress and prioritize tasks based on their importance. His friends joked that he was taking Excel to the extreme. Excel is a powerful tool that can be used to create to-do lists and manage tasks. Excel's flexibility allows you to customize your to-do list with various columns and data types, such as priority levels, categories, and progress indicators. Additionally, you can use Excel's conditional formatting features to highlight overdue tasks and ensure you don't miss any important deadlines. John was also passionate about fitness, so he used Excel to track his workouts, weight, and other health metrics. He created a chart to visualize his progress and set goals for himself. His friends were impressed with his dedication and asked him to create a fitness plan for them too. Excel can also be used for health and fitness tracking. You can create a spreadsheet to record your workouts, body measurements, and other health metrics like sleep, water intake, and heart rate. By tracking this information over time, you can identify trends, set goals, and measure your progress. With our free Excel lessons, you will learn how to create charts and graphs to track your progress in all aspects of your life, from travel to fitness. And who knows, with your new Excel skills, you might even become the next John, a master of organization and planning. So why wait? Click the link in the video description to start your Excel journey today. When it was time to plan his sister's wedding, John knew he could rely on Excel. He used it to create a guest list, track RSVPs, and even create a schedule for the big day. His sister was amazed at how organized everything was, and the wedding went off without a hitch. Excel can be used for budgeting, financial planning, expense tracking, meal planning, grocery listing, health and fitness tracking, task management, event planning, and much more. With built-in templates, formulas, and formatting tools, Excel makes it easy to organize and analyze data, set goals, and make informed decisions. John loved to travel, and Excel was his go-to tool for planning trips. He created a spreadsheet with all the details of his trip, including flights, accommodations, and activities. He even tracked his expenses and created a packing list. His friends were jealous of how well organized he was on his travels. Excel is a great tool for planning trips. You can use it to compare the prices of flights and hotels, track expenses, plan your itinerary, and create a packing list. These features help you stay organized and save time when preparing for a trip. But John's love for Excel didn't stop there. He also used it to manage his investments. He created a spreadsheet to track his stocks, mutual funds, and other investments. He included the purchase date, purchase price, and current value, and Excel automatically calculated the return on his investments. He even used Excel to create charts to visualize his investment performance over time. Excel can be a powerful tool for investment management and analysis. You can use it to create a portfolio tracker to monitor your investments and track performance. Excel also has built-in functions that allow you to calculate critical metrics such as return on investment, ROI, volatility, and risk. You can use Excel to analyze historical data, create charts to visualize trends, and make informed investment decisions based on your analysis. Excel can also be used for scenario analysis, allowing you to model different investment scenarios and assess their potential outcomes. Overall, Excel can help you manage and analyze your investments more effectively and make better informed investment decisions. John may have been an Excel superhero, but he never took himself too seriously. He laughed with his friends about how obsessed he was with Excel, but he knew it was his secret weapon for staying organized and being on top of things in his personal life. Are you ready to take your data analytics skills to the next level? Join the thousands of students who have already transformed their careers with our #1 ranked digital course in the Philippines, recognized globally as the best educational product of 2022 on Product Hunt. With our expert-led curriculum and membership in the prestigious Analytics Association of the Philippines, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Don't miss out on this opportunity to download our Excel lessons and start your journey towards a brighter future today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you didn't, give it a thumbs up anyway because it's good for my self-esteem.